Hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to another video from JM Motors Unlimited. Today, I've got this set of fork extensions, and I'm going to be painting them and putting them on my 185S project that I got a couple months ago. And I don't have it over here right now, it's over another shed. But I'm going to be painting these, and when they get dry, I'm going to put them on it. And just something I got coming up, I got my good 185 in here, and tons of parts stacked up all over the place. But I'm going to be changing the chain and sprockets on it because they were horrible. Somewhere I got my old sprocket. I don't know where. I got to clean off my workbench. But the 10-2 sprocket I had on here had like 2 teeth left on it. But it's got the the sprocket cover on it, which I don't like because you can't see your sprocket. You got to take it off to look at your sprocket. And I didn't take it off often enough, and I ended up messing some stuff up. But I got a 200S axle for it right here. I actually got 2 of them, but I just picked this one up today. But I'm going to be putting this in here and converting it to a 200S axle and changing the front and rear sprockets. So that'll be nice. Look for that coming up. And I'm going to be doing the same thing on the Project 185 soon. So I got these fork extensions all buffed and wire wheeled down, got all the rust off of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and start painting them. Got my bucket out here, fancy paint booth out here. So I'm just gonna start spray painting them black. So I'm gonna let that dry a couple hours till it gets good and dry. Then I'm gonna come back and flip them and put a coat on the other side. And then probably tomorrow put them on if I have time tomorrow. But probably tomorrow evening I'll get them put on the bike. So that wasn't a very good paint job, just kind of a quick spray because it's gonna get all scratched off anyway, so I don't really care. But I just want to make them look a little better whenever I put them on. So I'll probably pick this back up tomorrow when I start putting them on. So I got my fork extensions painted the other day, and it's been a while since I painted them because it was raining and stuff every day, and I can't make videos in the rain because it's tin roof and it makes a ton of noise. So I got it, the 185 all jacked up. Well, not jacked up, blocked up. And I'm gonna pull the front wheel off and put the fork extensions on real quick. So as you can see, that gives you a lot more ground clearance. It'll give you a lot more when I air the tires up. All the tires are flat. But that makes a big difference. I highly recommend fork extensions for somebody that rides on the trails or in the woods and stuff. They keep you from getting hung up on a lot of stuff. When I put them on this one, I was amazed at the difference. I didn't think it'd make that much difference, but it made a huge difference. So that's it for today. I got the recoil off of it. I gotta pull that rotor off and test a couple stators. I'm gonna put them in this bike and make sure they work. And I'm painting my wheels for this bike. This is the rear wheels. I'm putting the woolly boogers back on it. I have the knobbies on it. I'm putting the woolly boogers back on it. And I'm painting the wheels. I gotta reseal them and everything. Put the tires back on them. They was all rusty. And I got my door in here and tons of other junk. And it's starting to rain. So if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And I highly recommend putting some fork extensions on your 185 or 110 or 125, anything with rigid forks. So thanks for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and you can also go check out JM Motors Unlimited on Facebook and Instagram. So thanks for watching.